I recently took it upon myself to dive deep into the world of leather seat covers because, let's be honest, no one wants to spend money on something that doesn't deliver. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. In this video, I'll share my honest thoughts on the top 5 leather seat covers, focusing on quality, comfort, and fit. Let's get started. Product number 1, Elantrip 2PC's front car seat covers. When I first laid my hands on the Elantrip 2PC's front car seat covers, I was immediately struck by their premium feel. The black leather is not just for aesthetics, it screams durability and class. Installing them was a breeze. Within 10 minutes, I had transformed my car's interior. The universal fit is a game changer. These covers snugly fit my sedan while being versatile enough for SUVs and trucks. I was particularly impressed by the ergonomic design featuring a diamond pattern, which not only adds to the luxury feel but also provides comfort during long drives. The best part, they are waterproof. I have a habit of spilling my morning coffee, and these covers stood up to the challenge. The easy cleaning feature is a lifesaver. A simple wipe with a damp cloth and they look brand new again. The hidden fastening straps ensure that the airbag deployment is not obstructed, prioritizing safety while maintaining a slick look. I was skeptical about the 180-day durability guarantee, but after weeks of use, I can confidently say they hold up well against daily wear and tear. Pros: luxurious design, easy installation, waterproof, ergonomic comfort, universal fit. Cons: limited color options. Why buy it? If you're looking for a stylish, durable, and easy-to-install seat cover that provides excellent protection and comfort, the Elantrip covers are a fantastic choice. Product number 2, Diffcar Ford F-150 seat covers. When I unboxed the Diffcar seat covers, I was immediately impressed by the attention to detail. Tailored specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2025, these covers are not your run-of-the-mill options. They fit like a glove thanks to the laser scanning technology used in their design. The handmade faux leather is not just thicker but also feels premium to the touch. I can tell this is a product made for the discerning truck enthusiast. The installation took me about 30 minutes, but it was straightforward, and the result was worth every second. These seat covers add a luxurious vibe to my truck's interior, making it feel even more special. I took my F-150 out for a weekend trip, and the breathability of the material ensured I didn't feel hot or sticky on the leather, even in the summer heat. Pros: custom fit, luxurious feel, full protection, breathable material. Cons: pricey compared to universal options. Why buy it? If you're a Ford F-150 owner who wants to elevate your truck's interior while ensuring full protection, these seat covers are a worthy investment. Product number 3, BOPUOVRE car seat cover. I was intrigued by the BOPUOVRE car seat cover, especially given its affordability at just $23.88. This single-piece cover is designed with universal fitment in mind, making it compatible with about 95% of vehicles. The first thing that caught my eye was its elegant triangle quilted design. It instantly added a touch of class to my otherwise ordinary car interior. What truly impressed me was the non-slip gel bottom that kept the cover firmly in place during my drives. I often take long road trips, and the comfort provided by the slightly raised triangles made those hours on the road far more enjoyable. Installation was straightforward. I had it in place within a few minutes without any fuss. Plus, the waterproof feature is a blessing. Whether it's accidental spills or just dirt from shoes, cleanup is as easy as wiping it down. I've had it for a few weeks now and it shows no signs of wear, which is quite impressive considering the price. Pros: affordable, stylish design, easy installation, durable waterproof material. Cons: only one color option. Why buy it? If you want an elegant-looking yet budget-friendly seat cover that offers comfort and practicality, the BOPUOVRE cover is a great choice. Product number 4, Coverado car seat covers full set. The Coverado car seat covers full set is a stunning addition to any vehicle. When I first received them, I was taken aback by the luxurious feel of the Napa leather. This full set, which includes covers for both front and back seats, is designed to fit most vehicles, and the 3D modeling ensures that they look custom-made. I installed these covers while listening to my favorite tunes, and it took me about 20 minutes. The installation guide was clear, and I appreciated the separate headrest covers that allowed for easy adjustments. One of the standout features is their superior protection against stains, spills, and UV rays. I've got kids, so this is a must-have. After a week of use, I noticed how easy they were to clean, and they maintained their elegant appearance. The covers also prioritize functionality, allowing for unobstructed access to seatbelts and airbags. Pros: luxury design, comprehensive protection, easy installation, maintains functionality. Cons: requires measuring for a perfect fit. Why buy it? If you're looking for a full set of seat covers that combine luxury, functionality, and protection, the Coverado set is an excellent choice. Product number 5. Action Seat Covers for Truck. The Action seat covers are specifically designed for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks, and it shows. As soon as I installed the full set in my 2018 Silverado, I could feel the quality of the material, high-quality leather that is both soft and durable. The installation process took about 25 minutes, and I appreciated the included instructions that made it straightforward. These covers are waterproof and wear-resistant, which is perfect for someone like me who spends a lot of time outdoors. The highlight for me is the design that includes 2 straps for the headrest covers, catering to different model years. I've taken my truck off-road a few times since installing these covers, and they've held up beautifully against mud, spills, and even dog claws. The pockets on the back of the front seats are a handy addition for storing small items. Pros: custom fit, waterproof, easy to clean, excellent protection. Cons: only for specific truck models. Why buy it? If you're a Silverado or GMC Sierra owner looking for a durable and stylish seat cover that offers excellent protection, the Action covers are a smart investment. After testing these top 5 leather seat covers, I can confidently say that each one brings something unique to the table. From luxury and custom fit to affordability and practicality, there's a perfect cover for everyone. Whether you're a truck enthusiast or just looking to protect your daily driver, these products have you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on which seat cover you think is the best.